Hi, it's Tico Venturi with the Venturi Group of Real Broker in Albuquerque, New Mexico, with my look at the Albuquerque housing market weekly data that updated over the weekend. I look at this every week, and so I put it on video here for everybody to see. It is the 25th of September. I had to look at the calendar, I didn't remember. And I want to just walk through this so you can kind of see where we're at in the cycle for the year in the housing market here in Albuquerque. And what we look at are all the homes that are for sale. These are single family detached homes in the greater Albuquerque area. And we're going to start right here with this chart called Market Action Index. And this is a measurement of, it's just a number we give. Are we in a buyer's market or seller's market? Right now, if we look at the black line right here, 2023, and it's you can see it's dipped down. We've dipped down to a pretty low level, meaning we're moving toward closer to a buyer's market, but still anything over 30 is kind of the number we use to indicate a seller's market. So we're still technically in a seller's market, but we do have a lot of pressure on sellers right now because of mortgage rates, in particular in the last few weeks or last month. Mortgage rates have spiked up again, which has put a lot of pressure on buyers as well. So it really puts some affordability crunch on buyers. So right now we are looking, again, we're trending more toward a buyer's market, still technically in a seller's market in Albuquerque. We're going to look at supply and demand and prices and where we're at right now, again, in the cycle for the year, again, end of September. So this is inventory number of homes on the market. If we hover over the black line again here, we can see that we've actually ticked up above the 2020 level. We're definitely higher than 2021, but still below last year in the number of homes on the market. And you can see definitely below the 2018, 2019 years. So still a pretty low number of homes available to purchase. Part of that is the number of homes being listed. If we look at this year, you can see for the entire year, we've had weekly counts of the number of homes coming on the market has stayed relatively low and continues to be relatively low. But at the same time, demand has stayed relatively low. And this is listing absorbed. This is new chart. If you've watched me before, I just added this one. This is the number of homes coming off the market that were on the market. And you can see it ticked down here last week from, last couple weeks. So the number of homes going off the market has ticked down. I'm going to account that to mortgage rates, and it's a seasonal thing as well. That's just that time of year. We generally do see, you can see, well, man, it's hard to tell in this week to week, but you can see this time of year, if you look through the years, it does tick down all the way through till the end of the year. So, um, supply demand down, but prices are kind of holding in there. Now, if we look at median list, now we're looking at list price. We're not looking at what things sold for. We're looking at what things are listed for. We have seen a tick down in listed price. You can see right now where average or median, no, median, yes. Median list price is now 415,000. That's above last year's number of 399, which is above 396 or 97 the year before. So we still are getting these year-over-year price gains. And just a quick little sidebar here. September numbers, it does look like we're going to have another year-over-year price appreciation, September this year versus September last year. We'll see that here next week and get the final take on that. A part of this decrease in median list price is also the size of homes. We do see larger homes generally listed in the spring, and they get smaller as goes out through the year. So as the home gets smaller, the prices get smaller and median price comes down. And we can see that in the list price per square foot number, pretty steady. You can see again, we're at $211 per square foot this year versus 198 the year before, 181, 160, 138, 126, all the way back to 2018. So you can see that progression through the years and how much it's jumped up each year, year over year. We did have some peaks back here, 214, like right now we're at 211. So price per square foot is hanging in there, and we're not seeing any big pressure on that price right now. Price for new listings, again, this is something we look at just to kind of gauge what people are feeling like when they put their homes on the market. Nothing nothing spectacular there. It's down a little bit from earlier in the year, but it's pretty steady. Days on market, real steady. You can see where days on market for homes that are on the market is longer than the crazy years of 21 and 22, but definitely lower than the normal years of 2018 and 2019. We haven't seen a whole lot of price decreases, kind of right in line with what we would expect this time of year. About 40% of the homes that are on the market have had a price decrease. Nothing really to take from that other than that nobody feels a whole lot of pressure on reducing the price of their home. Number of homes relisted. This is interesting. It really dipped down this week. Relisted. So these are homes that had been off the market and then came back on the market. And right now, we're not. It actually dipped down to a very low level, lowest level we've seen in a while. So the number is only 15% of the homes that are on the market right now had previously gone under contract and then came back on the market. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about real estate in Albuquerque, we're the Venturi Group of Real Broker, 505 448 8888. Take care. Have a great week.